What's going on, everyone? In this video, I want to do a little bit of technical analysis, kind of mark out some levels and maybe some key areas of interest on Tesla. So for those of you guys who do trade options, maybe you guys are kind of wondering, should you be buying long? Should you be looking to trade short? What are we essentially looking at? Now, I'm going to start off by looking at the weekly time frame. This weekly time frame on Tesla, we're in a little bit of a range here. It's, a little bit up, a little bit down, a little bit up, a little bit down. Now, with Tesla, a stock like Tesla, a stock like Nvidia, the ranges are so big intraday that you can find these pockets and areas of opportunity. So as of right now, Tesla's trading within inside of around a 20 to 21 point weekly range from swing high to low. So that's definitely something that you need to keep in mind. So whether you're a day trader or a short-term swing trader where you're looking to get into positions, maybe hold overnight or for a couple of days, you can easily pick up 4, 5, 6, 7 points on a stock like Tesla, as long as you're on the right side of the move. Now, how do we be on the right side of the move? We need to make sure that we are sticking with whatever macro trend is starting to form. As of right now, Tesla has come down into weekly support at the 50 EMA, so the 50-day exponential moving average. Today's lows literally bounced to a T right off this 50 EMA, and I'm looking at a low price here of $232.04. Now, if Tesla starts to confirm 234, it potentially has room down to 227. So do you think between 232 and 227 that there's enough room to kind of make money? Of course, if you want to get in, make $1, $1.50, $2, $2.50, there's definitely money. So make sure you're sized accordingly. Now, if I look at a daily time frame and I kind of zoom this in so everyone can see this chart very, very clear, it's painting a little bit of a different picture here. It's been going sideways for quite some time, realistically going back to around mid-November. So a lot of distribution, a lot of consolidation going on here on Tesla. Tesla is coming down to its daily 200-day moving average, as well as a linear regression sitting down here at 229. If there's any type of washout, maybe one more day where it gets down into 230, 229, 228, we could be looking at a little bit of a bounce back. Not to say that it's going to be the final lows, but if we kind of go back and we let history tell us a little bit of a story, the last time we were in this range where we were down here into this linear regression and 200-day moving average, we went from a low price of 228 all the way to a high price of 264. So Tesla very well could be getting ready for a little bit of an intra-week, intra-month bounce. Now, there's going to be some things that need to be done in order for Tesla to kind of prove to us a little bit more that it can, sustain the bounce. First things first is I need to get over this 5-day moving average of around 237. If we can get over 237, we're not out of the woods, but we've got room to 239 and 242. However, if we do go on a little bit of a rally, a little bit of a dead cat bounce, and we make our way into 245, we definitely want to make money on a smaller time frame, on an hourly time frame, on a 15-minute time frame, on a 30-minute time frame. We do want to catch some money to the upside. But if and when Tesla does lose this 200-day moving average, look out. 100% I will want to be short below the 200-day moving average, because if we just kind of, again, let history tell us a little bit of a story, we'll notice the last time we lost this 200-day moving average going all the way back to November the 8th, we put in this low below the 200-day moving average at around 217, and within 2 days we traded down to prices of 205. So we had around a 10-point move from high to low here, give or take, before we got that snapback rally. Previously, before that, when we closed below the 200-day moving average on October the 25th, we had a low price of around $212, and that came all the way down in 4 days to around 194. So notice again, from 212 to 194, you're looking at a 20-point washout. So if you get Tesla to do a little bit of a bounce and it gets rejected somewhere between 240 and 245, and it starts to lose this 200-day moving average, 100% either want to swing overnight or want to catch it on the intraday off the open. I hope this video helps you guys. If you guys want to trade with me each and every single day live, you guys can definitely join Evolution Traders. That link is down in the description box below, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video.